Hello guys, welcome to 2022 and welcome back to Selling Style the Week That Was. We are extremely happy to bring you back to Selling Style the Week That Was. First, we're going to talk a little bit about 2021 and all the achievements that Selling Style did. Then we're going to talk about 2022 and we got some nice and awesome people that we want you to meet. Over 2021, we helped 133 agents. That's around 300% growth versus the last year where we helped around 30 agents. We also helped 71 different agencies versus 19 on the year prior. So overall, like a 300% growth for Selling Style is fantastic, and that's thanks to you. Our team staged 337 different properties. That's around 500 living areas, around 320 living rooms, about almost 2,000 bedrooms, and you won't believe it, but they use around 8,000 cushions to be able to achieve that. So no doubt that Sarah and all the stylists of Selling Style have had a really busy year. And now for 2022, we have a very busy January already, full with different stalls, new furniture, new team members, and lots of fun. And with that said, I really would like to introduce Maddie to the team. So welcome, Maddie.
Hi guys, my name's Maddie. A little bit about my background. I have just graduated degree in marketing at the Queensland University of Technology. I just started here this month in January and I'm really excited to put all the skills that I learnt into my new role.
That's awesome, that's great. So have you had an experience before working in property or staging or anything related to that?
Not property, I've been working in fashion up until now, but I'm really passionate about the industry and I'm really excited to learn more.
So Maddie, no doubt that we're extremely happy to have you on board. Is there anything that you can share at this stage of what you have in store for us?
Yes, I'm really excited to bring to you guys some fresh new content. So I've been working on creating a branding profile, so all the posts that you'll see on our socials will be really consistent. We're also going to be doing a lot of educational videos like how-tos with our stylists. We're also going to be doing regular posts on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be doing more walkthrough videos of our finished homes on our stories. And also we're going to jump into doing a bit more of TikTok and also Instagram Reels. And of course we'll be doing the week that was every single week.
That's great, so we're definitely looking forward to share all these with you guys. Thanks for sharing a little bit of sneaky time in there. So I guess with that, welcome to the team and I will leave you to introduce the week that was for this week. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Hi guys, this week I'll just be showing you a quick little walkthrough that Jay did in one of her recent installs.
So this is the master bedroom. Now in this bedroom we picked up some of the lovely warm tones in the artwork and we popped that in the through here. But then we've also wanted to pick out the frame colour and the darker tones in the artwork to create a bit of a contrast. So that's hence your black shades, your greys, and then the lovely cushions here. So this is the second bedroom, and one of my favourite things about this bedroom is the fact that we can match the bedside table colour to the artwork frame. It's small details like that that I actually really enjoy about this job. And we've gone the same sort of colour pattern, super warm, but then contrasted it with the greys again, and it just really gives the room a sophisticated sort of vibe. Awesome, well thanks for watching guys. We loved giving you a quick little update and a walkthrough of our install today. We'll definitely do more like this, so stay tuned for more.
Well, thank you for watching guys. I'm really excited for all the new content that is coming, and make sure you follow us on all of our social media channels. Bye guys.